Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so we're doing a side-by-side comparison right now between the Note 10 Plus and the regular Note 10. So you can definitely see it's a smaller size, 6.3 versus 6.8 inch display, so definitely a noticeable difference, as well as the back, you can definitely see just how different it is. Overall, I think it is a really good difference if you do want a smaller size, and coming in at $949, not a bad price for a smaller Note. And overall, I think that I will definitely get the Plus variant, but I could see a lot of people going for the Note 10, for instance, like my wife. I think she might want a smaller variant, and it saves me a couple bucks, so I'm not opposed to that. But overall, I think this will be a good selling phone. If you want a smaller device, I think this will be great, and you still have the Note capability. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.